Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to solve installation problems or repository problems in Kali Linux, which is a common problem to guys who are using. For example, you get apt-get. Says each GIMP has no installation. So the simplest way to make this right is to edit the sources.list file. So first we'll open the sources.list file. So we should go to sources.list file. So as you can see, we are getting the sources.list file, and then we should go to the web browser, open the web browser and search Kali Linux repositories. So as you can see, we are in the Kali Linux official web page, and we are getting the available repositories, and we can copy paste this as I'm showing you. Next is source repositories. Kali dev repository. Oh, sorry, Kali rolling repository. Then you can save and close this. Then you should type get update. Should it, and then you are doing apt get update. So it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Let's see. So as you can see, it is taking a little bit of time. So as you can see, the installation took a few minutes and now it's done. So now the error of package not found is fixed. So you can test it. So yeah, as you can see, problem is fixed. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay in touch.